Hi team, this is another video demo. So I reviewed my previous video demo and realized that I clicked the wrong button. So I am going to demonstrate the checkout for the plan subscription again, and then we will proceed on checking having a video demo for the recurring scripts. So the recurring scripts are already live, and um, the ledger code is already live for the recurring scripts, and then for the back office code, it has been disabled since the managed subscription, which is a product transaction, as well as the shop transaction page, the checkout page for those two pages that does not work properly when you switch the bill method from one bill method to another. So I still need FOT on that one. So first, let's try the plan subscription. So this is using a different checkout page. So for example, I will purchase the 50 per month. So um, please note team that I'm still using the current code. So I'll be switching this to the code that we should be using. Okay, so as you see here, there is also a switch function. So we will be testing the ledger, the credit card first. So a scenario is I am using the ledger bill method, and then I will switch to credit card while I'm on the checkout page for the plan subscription. And then when I save this info, my billing method should be updated, as well as my category map, and then it should be added to my transactions page. So let's check for my category first. I should be on cat ID 16, so that's correct. So before I was on 9971, and then my bill method is now CC, and then on my transactions page, let's check for my latest transaction. So since this is a plan transaction, there is no transaction products. So yeah, so we had a CC transaction. So I was charged 1386. It's approved, and my bill method is, where's my bill method? So bill method is CC, and then type is subscription. So this time I will be checking for check out via ledger. So let's go back to marketing subscription, and I will try to purchase cat ID 16 again. So I've reset my cat ID back to 9917, and then I will use the test page. So I will be switching to ledger. So once we switch to ledger, the CC number should be intact. So I'm going to switch to ledger, and then save. So the first thing to check is the billing. So the bill method has been switched, and the CC number is still correct. So let's check the transactions page. I mean the transactions data. So now bill method is ledger. This is my most current transaction, and then still charge 13.86 and approved. Type is sub. So our next test is for the recurring product script. Yeah, so it has been applied to the live script, so we will just test if it is working without syntax errors. So this is for the product recurring script. So I'm gonna set one of my products to inactive. I mean active, so it's correct. Sorry. Apps. And then last transaction date to June. Bill date is August 22. Purchase date before today. So save. So this is the live script. So before it does not accept ledger payment method. So my user is using ledger, so it should be able to charge. So it's still working the same way that I've coded it on the test page. So no issues here. And then the next one is to test the recurring billing for the plan. So first is since there is now a separate recurring billing script for ASV, let us try the old script, which is this one, if it still accepts database, if it still runs ASV, so it should not be able to proceed. So as you've seen there, it did not proceed. So let's try the separate recurring billing script. So that's recurring billing ASV ledger. So as you see here, there's our user has been recognized. So bill method is ledger, so let's double check for errors, syntax errors. So no errors so far. Let's also check the other one, recurring billing products ASV products, I think. So it's recurring billing product. So oops, let me double check the file name of the logs. So this is the correct log file. So there are no errors. Let me double check. Syntax errors. So after this, I will go back to checking the products page. So yep, I will need to check the data saved again. So that's all for this video. Thank you.